Just as the canal mania of Great Britain was taking hold, a similar thing was happening out here in Bangkok. I'm at the start of the Old City Canal, which was built in 1771 by King Taksin, whose city was behind me on the other side of the river. But it wasn't a very secure city because there was always a threat of the Burmese invading again. But in April 1782, Taksin's successor, King Rama I, sailed across the river to establish the City of Angels, Bangkok. The river would already provide a perfect defence along the western boundary, but a canal was needed to protect it from the east, and the city itself was therefore on an island, the island of Rattanokosin. Along the canal are a series of rather handsome bridges. This one is called Sharung Rat 31. Sharung means prosperity, and 31 because it was the 31st birthday of King Rama VI. And this is a really good example with these tigers cast in concrete along the balustrade. This lovely tree-lined section of the canal gives an impression of what old Bangkok must have been like. Look at these lovely Dutch gabled shop houses along one bank. And there's another one of those wonderful balustraded bridges built to honour a princess who was the consort of King Rama V. This is the Ho Klong Shrine on the banks of the canal, and it's dedicated to an officer who died in one of the wars during the reign of King Rama I. And here's a rather impressive gateway. Let's take a closer look. And here he is, King Rama IV. This is Saranakum Palace. What a magnificent example of exuberant classical architecture this is, in the heart of Rattanokosin. This is Pikun Bridge. It's built by money donated from the Queen, the mother to Rama VI. She was born in the year of the pig. Gosh, we really could be in Amsterdam. Especially when you look at this bridge, the Hoek Bridge, a lifting bridge. There used to be 4 like this along the length of this canal. And another impressive European-style building. And what's this lurking under the bridge? Ah, we found some boats at last. This is quite unusual. It's a shrine to the goddess Utuktan, the earth goddess, wringing her hair to squeeze out all the water, which is running down that tube into a bowl. And here at the northern end of the old city moat, the canal disappears under that bridge behind me. But let's see if we can trace the route of the canal until it reaches the Chao Phraya River. I'm standing underneath a great flyover. In the other direction, the canal re-emerges and squeezes under a final sluice gate and under the vast Pinklau road bridge. Finally, it joins the Chao Phraya River under the remains of an elegant old iron bridge. Rather an ignominious end for a once grand canal.